Hello, this is RCKY, the Android guy. Alright guys, today is the day you've been waiting for, the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S3. And this is the T-Mobile variant. So in the front, just the Samsung S3 front. And the boxes are based on the color, so if you got the blue one, it's a blue box. If you got the white one, it's a white box. On the bottom, just the serial numbers and all that fun stuff. On the back, let's zoom in for you guys. Alright, so we have a 4G connection. Now with the T-Mobile version, this is HSPA+. For every other brand, it is LTE. Now you do have a 4.8-inch HD Super AMOLED display. So it's really good in terms of color and brightness, and also of course clarity. NFC enabled, meaning you can use direct things that have NFC chips, including these tags that you can buy off Samsung's website, which I'll talk about in other videos. You have a 1.5 dual-core S4 processor. This processor is faster than the Tegra 3. You also have all-share play, 8 megapixel in the back and 1.9 in the front, as well as it is backlit illumination. So what that means is you can do clear photos even in darker areas. You have full 1080p HD playback, and this is already being considered the best video recording device out there for the cell phone area. And of course you have all these fancy icons, which yeah, I won't get into those. If you have a question about them, just ask. Alright, let's get down to what we all came to see, the unboxing itself. Zoom out for you guys. Alright, so take that off. And is everyone as anxious as me? Is everyone as anxious as me? Ta-da! This is the Samsung Galaxy S3, guys. So behind is the micro SIM card, because this one does use a micro SIM card. So, or this will be the micro LTE card if you're going to be using another carrier. And let's take this off. Oh, actually, before we do, let me just indicate you have the LED indicator right here, power button, volume rocker, and of course the home button. All right. Let's start that up. Take this off. Nice shiny blue. Really feels good to hold. Let that go on the side. And let's see what else is in the box. Alright, so we have the Samsung Galaxy S3 starter guide. We have the recycle program if you want to recycle your old stuff. You have the terms and conditions and return policy. You have the USB adapter to connect to your computer and to connect to the wall plug, which is right under here. Right here. This connects right into there. And this is a US version, of course, so it just does have the regular US plug. You have earbuds for, I'm guessing, headphones. Interesting that you got white headphones with a blue headset, but you know, it's free headphones, so you shouldn't complain. And as you can see, this does have a volume rocker and an answer button, it looks like. So that's what's inside. And there it is, guys. The Samsung Galaxy S3. Have lots to go by. It's really quick, as you can see. Zoom in a little bit more for you guys. Very crystal clear. In terms of what T-Mobile stuff is packaged with, it's pretty much right here. You know, access to T-Mobile. You do have a free T-Mobile hotspot with this. Let me put it down. You do have a free T-Mobile hotspot with this and visual voicemail from them as well. So that's the main stuff, guys. And this is the newest version of TouchWiz, and you can see it moves really quick. No slowdown whatsoever. So definitely interested to try it out. Now, if you guys have any specific videos you want to see, feel free to ask. I'm going to try to make all the ones that I think you guys want to see. But if you have any specific videos you want to see, don't really ask. And if you have any questions you want to see happen on the review, you know I'm always up for the question. Alright guys, this has been RICKY, the Android Guy.